Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Earth. My name is Daryl, and today I'm going to show you how I make paint stencils using my Cricut Joy. I designed a quick stencil in Cricut Design Studio for my Landfall ODST cosplay. It's the UNSC lettering and the bird logo. I'm trimming up this piece of removable vinyl and getting it ready to transfer onto my piece with a piece of transfer vinyl. As you can see here, I'm peeling it apart, laying in the stencil, and this will be what goes on the actual part that we are going to paint over. Using the provided squeegee, I'm just running it across the entire stencil, make sure that I get all the air bubbles out from underneath it, hitting the edges, and then I'll flip it over and do the back just to make sure that I get a clean removal from the vinyl paper. And with a little patience, we now have our stencil ready for painting. So here's our stencil, and it still has that transfer paper over the top. So what I'm going to do here is just press it into place, line it up as best as I can. I didn't cut this exactly straight, still new at it, but I'm going to press this onto the piece, and then the clear plastic that holds it all there will get removed, and then we can paint. For this, I'm just using some light ivory acrylic paint, a sponge brush, and a Dixie cup. So I dip the sponge brush in and just start stippling it into place. I'm building it up in layers because I'm not too sure at this point if I have it stuck down to the piece well enough that it won't bleed through. And there are also a lot of little undercuts and deep fine detail areas that I need to get the paint into. So I'm just taking my time and building it up layer by layer. Now with the paint a little tacky, not all the way dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the stencil. This ensures that I have cleaner edges. When you let it dry, sometimes the paint can stick to your stencil and it can lift off of your part, especially when you have fine details like this eagle down here. I want to make sure that everything that I painted on stays on my actual prop piece. And taking this little weeding tool, I'm removing the rest of the vinyl that was left over. Just being careful to preserve the edges. And what I'm most impressed with is that I was able to get these small little letters inside of this eagle logo to transfer well over to my piece. All I had to do was take the little weeding tool, pick it out, and it came out great. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial. I picked up this Cricut Joy off of Facebook Marketplace for 90 bucks. I always see them on sale at like Joann's or Michael's, Hobby Lobby sometimes. So if you're looking for an inexpensive vinyl cutter or material cutter for that matter to make stencils or stickers for your projects, I highly suggest picking one up. This thing is freaking sweet and it's a game changer for me, and I can't wait to implement it in more of my projects. Everything that I use will be linked in the description below, as always. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and hit that bell notification. Until next time.